In today's episode of Inside Hair System Bases, we're taking a closer look at two of the most popular lace materials used in hair systems, Swiss lace and French lace. Both materials are lightweight, breathable, and designed to create a natural appearance. They are widely used in full lace and lace front hair systems because of their comfort and realistic finish. Swiss lace features a finer and softer texture. Its lightweight construction also provides excellent comfort and breathability. French lace has a slightly more stable structure and is commonly chosen for clients who want a balance between natural appearance and everyday practicality. And here is another important detail. Do you notice the irregular handmade edges and weaving patterns? These are unique characteristics of genuinely handcrafted lace materials, reflecting the manual weaving process used in professional hair system production. Follow us and explore more base secrets.